This is a capture race challenge for white. The pattern seems relatively straightforward, but the solution is actually quite difficult. So please make sure you spend some time going over some of the variations. It's actually pretty easy to eliminate a lot of the moves, like pushing here won't work. If it's something like this, then this is 3 liberties versus 3, and white will fail. Playing something like this also doesn't work. This way, black still has 3 liberties left. Right. What about standing down here? Also doesn't seem to work, because this way, black still has 3 liberties left. So it's still a 3-on-3, and white will fail. So pushing here will not work. What about clamping here? Black will connect, and now this is already 3-on-3, so white must occupy one of black's liberties. And this way, black will get 4 liberties, so white fails. This way, white will also fail. It's pretty obvious. This way, white will also fail. So number 1 here is also eliminated. What about this? This is similar. This will just go back to some of the previous patterns. And this also won't work for white, because black has definitely more liberties than 3, right? Already 4, at least 4, maybe 5 or 6. So we've eliminated quite a few. Also, this doesn't work because as soon as black plays here, number 2, black has 4 liberties. Similarly, this won't work. What about this? This also won't work because white can't really play at number 3. This way, black can just keep crawling and we'll get many more liberties on the outside. So the only viable move that's left is right here. And this is still tricky. Finding the first move is not enough. If black connects here, now this is easy. White can come in, and this is 2-on-3. White will succeed. But of course, black will play here. Right? Playing here doesn't work. White can just push and capture these 2 stones. But of course, black will play here. And this is still challenging. If white connects, then black can connect. It seems like only 3 liberties left, but it's actually 4. White needs to come in here first. Otherwise, if you play here, black will block and make this real eye. And now black has 3 liberties left, because white has to play from the outside at number 9 first. So number 3 is a problem here. What about pushing here? Also doesn't work, right? This is still 3-on-3. We're back to one of the previous patterns. So number 3 is actually a very, very neat move. It's right here. You might be saying, here's a double Atari for black. But that's exactly the point, because white needs to sacrifice some of these stones. If you do not sacrifice, black will be able to capture these 4 white stones. So after number 4, white can play this. This is a connect and die for black. So the best thing for black to do is to simply capture these and allow white to capture these 2 black stones, like this. So white succeeds for the purpose of our problem. What if black connects here? Now white can actually connect. This is a 4 versus 3 situation, and black will be short. And of course, black cannot connect here. This way, black will just be captured. Lastly, if black plays here, white can push this way. And similarly, number 7 will achieve a double Atari, and white will be able to capture these 2 stones. So number 1 may be easy to find, but number 3 is actually very hard, very counterintuitive. But it is a very good move because it keeps black's liberties very tight, despite exposing itself to a double Atari. So this is the type of move that really trains our calculation skills. Hope you enjoyed this challenge, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.